Okay, so I got the holes made, drilled in the bottom of the pods, so that'll allow venting. I put obviously some screen there to keep the bugs out. Um, Also, I put the sound deadening material inside the pod on each pod, same amount, and same hole on each side. So they are now ready to install up on the trailer. There we are right there. Um, I'll clean that up and then just put some silicone around the exterior of the pods. I drilled a hole, 4 holes for mounting screws. I'm going to use um, number 8 by ½ inch panhead screws, and that will complete the installation. Um, I still, once I get them put up there, I have to put the little nut clips on, and then just mount the speakers up. But that's easy. So I'll probably just next time they'll be fully installed.